How to add Dogecoin to OKX. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add Dogecoin. First of all, open the application. Now on the top at the search bar, simply tap and search for Dogecoin. So it will pop up here. Simply tap on Dogecoin. So this is the one that I'm talking about. So this is the Dogecoin chart. Here you can analyze it and know about the stocks and its values. Here you can even know the datas and overview it. So you can look overall and here start trading about it. So simply tap on trade, and now you can trade how much you want, and you can even buy and sell. So here are the deposit ones and the limit orders too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.